is road tripping with C. Yes, you're reading it correctly. Repair. Not so funny thing happened on the way to Florida. A duck flew into my RV as I was driving down 95. It is not what happened to you, but how you react to it that matters. And I made it all the way down to Florida. Poor duck. But it was on my first leg going, so I had to stop at Virginia. I was a little nervous and everything, but you know what? We made it there safely, and all is good. But it is time to show you. It was time to get my baby repaired. So this is repair day. Auto Glass Warehouse did a excellent job. They got there early in the morning. They came to me, which was surprising. I'm like, awesome, they gave me. I didn't have to disconnect or anything from, because I was in Florida when they came. It took them about 3 weeks before they made an appointment to repair. So yes, I had to sit for 3 weeks with my window like that, but it was all good. They did a awesome job. They took their time, and I'm sitting there in the background watching all of this. It was a little cold that day that they didn't have a window, so I had a jacket on as they were doing different work. But I'm gonna let you see some of this, and I'm just gonna let you listen to a little bit of music as you watch them do their work. You know, I always like to give you a little bit of food for thought as you're watching them. Put my new window up. Yes. Life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you react to it. Did you know that? So let's react better. As my window goes up, I was like, yes, it is time for my baby to get repaired. And I'll let you finish watching. Okay, got my window in. They taping her up. They cleaning up that window. I had to keep the blue tape on for like a week before I could take it off. I had to get on a ladder and take it off. So, happiness is a choice, not a result. Nothing will make you happy until you choose to be happy. Come on, fam. Choose to be happy. So I hope you enjoyed this. But peace, love, and happiness. Give thanks with a grateful heart. I'm out.